OSTA, that is Open System Task Analysis. So this open system task analysis describe what happens when a technical system is introduced into an organizational work environment. So it will tell you when you are introducing a new system, what will be the pros and cons, or what will be the impact of introducing a new system into the organization. So this will specify both the social and technical aspects of the system. So in OSTA, the requirements are captured through a focus on the task. So here the main focus will be on the task. There in custom approach, the main focus is on the stakeholders. Okay, so this open system task analysis is a 8-stage model, and which, as I told you, it will be focusing on the task. So it is an 8-stage model. Let us see what are all the 8 stages in open stage task analysis. First is the primary task identified in terms of user goals. So we are going to identify the task from the goals. That is the first task. And the second stage is the task input to the system is identified. So what is the input we are going to give for the system? So that is identified. Then in the third step, external environment into which the system will be introduced is described, which will be including the physical, economic, and political aspects. So the external environment in which you are going to introduce the system will be described. And the fourth stage is the transformation process within which the system are described in terms of action performed on or with the object. So the transformation process will be explained in the fourth step. And social system is analyzed, and considering the existing internal and external work group and the relationship. So you will be analyzing the system, what are all the existing work group internally and externally, and what is the relationship. All these will be analyzed in the fifth step. And sixth step is technical system is described in terms of configuration and integration with other systems. So we are going to describe the configuration of the system. And seventh step, the performance satisfaction criteria will be established, indicating the social and technical requirements of the system. And the last step is a new technical system is specified. So these are the 8 stages in OSTA model. Okay. So all you can look at the 8 stages. All these stages will be focusing on the task only, not on the stakeholders. Whereas when you look at the custom analysis, here we will be focusing on the stakeholders. See here, for the first step also we are going to discuss with the stakeholders. Second step is also like identifying and describing the stakeholders. Third step again work group. When I say work group, again it is stakeholder, like not the client. First step is with the client, and second step is with all the stakeholders, and third step again the person who is going to develop the project, the engineers, the process associates, the system designers. So again those are all come under stakeholders. Only the fourth step is with the task. The fifth step again we are going to discuss with the stakeholders, and final also it is with the stakeholders. So A custom analysis, the main focus will be on the stakeholders. But when you say open system task analysis, here the focus look at the all the 8 stages of open system task analysis model. So here, first step, we are going to identify only the task which is involved for achieving the goals. And what is the input we are going to give? That is the second thing we are going to identify. What is the environment in which we are going to implement the system? What is going to be the transformation process? So only here, the fifth step is like you will be focusing on the stakeholders. What is the relationship? What is the social behavior of the system? And when it comes to sixth step, here again we are going to discuss about the configuration of the system, technical configuration of the system, then performance satisfaction, and how this new system is identified and it is implemented. So all the 8 stages, we are focusing only on the task.